Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to take photos of clothes to sell them online, of course. And yes, now you must be thinking, if you are owning a clothing store or if you're managing a clothing brand, photos taken of your clothes from a smartphone is a big no-no. People say that you have to have a dedicated camera or you have to hire a professional photographer or a videographer for your images, as well as you have to hire models and then, hire videographers as well as models to create, fashion videos and stuff like that. Those are really time consuming as well as they're expensive. In this video, I'll teach you how you can use your, images that you took of your products from your phone. And then, of course, with the help of Wearview, you can use that image and convert it into a professional model wearing your dress. So in this video, I'll be teaching you just that. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first and foremost thing, what I want you to do is just visit wearview.co. This is the website where we work, and we work really hard in this platform to bring you the best results out of your fashion business. Now, we have worked really hard to make it as simple as possible, which you will get to know or which you will get to see in a matter of a few minutes. After visiting wearview.co, go ahead and log into or sign up to your account. Once you are logged in or signed up, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, we will be greeted with all these features or services that Wearview supports or Wearview provides. We have AI Try-On Studio, we have AI model to product to model, AI fashion video, AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, AI post control, AI consistent models, AI model swap. So in this video, we'll be using the feature or we'll be using the option which says AI product to model. So we'll click on it, and then we have the option to select our products. Now we'll have to upload the images that we took from our smartphone. So we'll click on the Add Image button, and then we'll choose the images that we want. For example, I have this hoodie. I'll just click on open. I have this hoodie that I just took a picture behind this door. And then we can also choose another dress. We can choose this, olive cargo, trouser or pant that we can use here. So it is, light on the floor, and this is just behind the door. We just took a quick snippets or quick pictures of this, products at our home. If you want to know what all photos that you can use here, just click on see what works. It will give you a product combination that works. It will give you a better understanding what works and things and common mistakes to ignore or common mistakes to avoid. Now, these are the items, or this is the way that you should upload the image. But by any chance, if you have pictures taken like from your phone, make sure they are in a blank background, maybe your floor or your table. Just try to avoid anything complicated in the background, just like here it is shown here. So here I have selected a hoodie and then a pant. If you want, you can also upload your hats, shades, shoes, whatever products that you sell in your clothing store or clothing brand. Once that is done, we'll click on the next button. Here we will have to choose our model. So if you have a model image, then click on the choose file and then upload your model image that you want. But if by any chance you don't have a model and you want AI models, then click on select models and then go to model library. Here you have the option to create your very own model as well, which we have explained in our previous video. So please go ahead and check it out. Here we have a collection of great looking female models as well as male models that you can go ahead and choose from them. But for this video, I'll go to my models and I'll choose a model that I created previously. And I have created Benji as well as Bob and Brock. So for this video, I will choose Bob as he is a really handsome hunky. So we'll select it and click on select this model. Now, after we are done selecting our model, we'll click on the next button. Here you have the option to describe your model and setting. This is an optional feature. You can go ahead and enter your prompt for your model. For example, it says female model with brown hair standing confidently in a bright studio, stuff like that. If you want, you can go to prompt tips and it will give you some understanding or teach you what all works and the things that you should avoid. If you want to get started, we have prompts that you can just copy. Just select any one of those prompts. We have e-commerce, lifestyle, streetwear, corporate, luxury. Let's choose streetwear. We just click on the copy button and right click and we'll just paste it over here. If you want, you can do that. If you want to enhance the prompt, you can just click on the enhance button and the AI will do all its work and enhance your prompt. You can also use your own language to describe it. It supports multilingual, it supports many languages, so there's that. But for this video, I'll just skip it and then we'll come to next, which is the quality. Here, quality is something that you cannot skip. If you are thinking of using HD, I would suggest you to up it a bit little. Minimum I would suggest you to do is 2K, but if you want the best quality possible, then 4K is the hands down is the go-to option for you. And if you're serious about your fashion brand, then please use 4K. It will give you the best quality possible, but for this video I'll choose 2K. Here, for the number of images, you can choose 4. It says up to 4 unique variations per generation. For this video, let's go ahead with 4 because we want as many variations as possible. Next, we have aspect ratio. Here you can choose between a square aspect ratio, a horizontal, a vertical, or maybe the default one that we have, and we'll just click on the generate button. Now this will take around, it says it will take around 3 minutes, but it doesn't. It takes around like maybe 30 to 40 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting here. We'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so we have our model here wearing our dress or wearing our hoodie and pants that we just took pictures from our smartphone. Now, if we take a look at the image, it just looks so damn good. It just so looks high quality. And even our model Bob, he looks really handsome in this hoodie. Wow, I never thought he would look this good. So I am really seriously impressed by it. And by any chance, if you want to flip the image horizontally, you have the option to do that. Or by any chance you are not happy with some of the minor details, you can just go ahead and click on the refine button, and here you can just go ahead and refine or describe what all changes that you want to make. For example, you don't like his hands resting like this. Maybe you want to change the pose and stuff like that, you can do so. Or maybe you just need a clear white background, enhance the color, sharpen fabric texture. Your creativity is the ceiling here. But for me, I am really happy with the results that we got from Wearview. Like I said, we work really hard to bring you all these results, so please consider subscribing to the channel, as well as please go ahead and try on Wearview. It is amazing. It will definitely boost your sales in your on your store. So now what I'll do here, I'll personally download all these images and then send this over to my store manager. I want this images out there. It just looks that good. But by any chance you are not happy with the results, then of course there's a try again button. You click on it, the AI will do its work again and will give you maybe better result. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Well, in this way you can take photos of your clothes from your phone and then convert them into professional models wearing those dresses that you just took picture from your phone. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you got any queries, if you want some help, please let me know in the comment box down below. Do subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Like this video as YouTube algorithm loves it. Well, this is Victor from Wearview, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.